हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग, सत श्री अकाल. Today we are going to discuss about the trial of Agni 5 missile from Odisha coast. This is the most significant trial because after this trial, Agni 5 missile will be included in our defense forces and that will directly challenge the authority of China. Because China's spy ship is already in Indian Ocean and Chinese is now preparing to maintain a large fleet of their navies in the Indian Ocean, so challenging the Indian nation directly. But Agni 5 missile is capable of targeting all the major cities of China, so China is now become anxious. China thinks if Agni 5 missile included in the or Indian defense forces, then their hegemony will be directly challenged. India is now already planning to develop such kind of mechanism in which they can transfer the BrahMos missile to Philippines, Indonesia, so that they can directly challenge the China in South China Sea. So India is now also working on the same path like the China working as Pakistan as a counter of the India. So we have also to need to discuss some counter for the China that like the Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam who have conflict with the China because in China wants that India not rise and India will not work as a counterpart of China. And you know India is a democracy, so we have to support of the Western countries also. Russia is also supporting India, Canada, Germany, France, Britain, all these are democracies. So they supports India also. That also risks the China because China is not a democracy. China is an autocratic society. Second most important thing is that India's economy is growing day by day, and now India is now fifth largest economy. So China thinks that if India is doing such kind of things and become if third largest economy, then they are not a single sole power of Asia. They become India is also challenging their authority and their power in the Asia. So that's why Chinese have become an anxious. So sometimes they try from the Ladakh side, sometimes they try from the Arunachal side to capture some land. But the stringent Indian army always replies them in a befitting reply. The second most important thing is that now the manufacturing plant of India is also set up so hugely so that our manufacturing sector also increases day by day. Already, Apple company already launches its biggest plant in Hosur, Karnataka. So China is also terrified. If such kind of large scale manufacturing company shifted in India, then China is not able to maintain its supply chain and it will be not called as the factory of the world. The second factory of the world will be India. India have to utilize this potential and capacity to booster itself as a sole superpower of the supply chain. Like we have to make a self-reliant in vaccines capacity, in medical, pharmaceuticals, in IT field. You know already India is exporting so much, near about 200 billion IT services to the around the world, and Indians are workers are used in Saudi Arabia also for the cheap labor cost. So remittances are coming in India that will make India to become a huge superpower. So all these scenarios are terrified China that India is now also a power in which Asia lies. So this is the huge thing for the China setup because China is now anxious and China wants to dominate India. So that's why Ladakh in Ladakh sector they will increase from Arunachal sector they will increase. So we have to maintain our guard. We have to keep watch and vigilance. If China will do something, we will give befitting reply to them. And Agni 5 is the best example for that. If they launch a submarine in Indian Ocean, we have to launch the submarine in South China Sea. Treat for trade. This is the best strategy. So keep watching my channel, keep subscribe my channel and keep feedback what you want to listen. I will update you what going around the world, and this is the geopolitics I most like. Please subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.